Hi everyone, in this art oil painting tutorial I'm painting a still life subject and I'm painting it in my sketchbook. I've prepared my sketchbook by applying 3 coats of gesso, and as you can see the still life subject is a copper jug. The paints I'm using are titanium white, cadmium yellow, cadmium red, burnt umber and ultramarine blue, and the medium I'm using is Liquin. And I pre-mix the steps for each part of the jug, which you can see on the left on the palette, and then I applied the paint loosely, and then once I've got the paint on all the jug I'll go over it again with a dry brush, a soft brush, and blend it all together, and then I'll go back over it again and adjust any areas that need adjusting. The real-time video is on my Patreon channel if you're interested in learning to paint. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.